Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade banana bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget your baking soda, a pinch of salt, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Before you begin mixing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's get to mixing. Start by mashing your 3 to 4 ripe bananas in a bowl until they reach a chunky applesauce consistency. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Next, add your 2 eggs and the mashed bananas to the creamed butter and sugar, mixing until just combined. In another bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, then gently fold them into the wet mixture. Remember, do not overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for moist banana bread. With your batter ready, carefully pour it into the greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 50 to 70 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your bread is ready. Once baked, let the banana bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes. This helps it set before you gently remove it and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Your homemade banana bread is now ready to be enjoyed. Slice it up and savor the warm, comforting flavors. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for about 3 days. If you want to keep your banana bread longer, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and then foil, and freeze it for up to 3 months. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.